Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. If a USB drive is connected to your iPhone, so as you can see guys, I am connecting my USB pen drive to my iPhone. When I am trying to copy paste some photos videos from iPhone to pen drive, in my files app there is no photos and videos is showing here. As you can see guys in my screen, when I open files app there is no photos and videos showing here. When I open any folder, as you can see guys, all my photos and videos is only showing in my photos app, as you can see guys in my screen. This is one of the most confusing iPhone issue. Okay, Apple does not clearly tell you, and once you know it, you can transfer any photo video in second from iPhone to USB pen drive. First, let's understand why this happened. iPhone stored photos and videos inside the Photos app only, but USB drive appear inside the Files app, and both are not directly connected. You need to remember this guys. So that's why your photos and videos don't show automatically in your Files app. Now let's fix it step by step. First, you need to open the Photos app and select your photos and videos which you want to transfer or which you want to copy to USB pen drive. Tap on select button, select your all photos and videos like this, and here once you select it, tap on share button, and then here you can get the option save to files. Just tap on it. So this all file will save on your Files app. Tap on once again save. Now it will take some time. So as you can see guys, in my Files app, all videos which I have selected. If you want to copy this guys, select your all files once again like this, tap on this share button like this, and here you can get the copy option. So just tap on copy. Now your files was copied. Okay, now go to browse tab, connect your USB pen drive, and here you can get your pen drive. Here open it, and in the empty space tap and hold on it, and here you can get the paste option. So just tap on paste button. That's it. As you can see guys, all my selected file was successfully copied here. So remember, you can't copy directly like Android phone. You need to always do this step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.